Minecraft, and welcome back to another video. This is like a kind of spontaneous video because I wasn't planning on making a video today at all. I was just taking a quick hiatus from YouTube, actually, to be honest, because I had a very terrible cold as well, so you still might be able to hear that in this video. So I don't want to be like sniffing my nose all the time on the videos. And also because I didn't have really that much content except for Whip and Chats and the stash video, which is still coming. I might be able to film that this weekend. But I did order something from Etsy. It was an impulse buy and it came today. And I was like, it's Wednesday, so why not film this video and upload it, because I have the time for it. Actually, today on Wednesday. So, as I said, Etsy ordered it on the 11th of October, because we're living October right now, yes, and today is the 20th, so pretty quick. It was shipped out last Thursday, the 14th. And the 20th is here, so it's like 6 days from Ireland to the Netherlands. I think that's still so quick. I knew it was quick, it always has been quick from her shop. Which you will find out which one it is. Maybe you already recognize the packaging. But now it really is. This one was maybe even the record. And I don't have to pay extras for this one because it just comes in my mailbox. I guess you don't have to pay extras that way, so it's all very nice. And I'm happy I can still order once in a while from one of my favorite Etsy shops. So on top is a sticker. The lighting might be a bit off. It says thank you because it's raining outside. It's just 6 in the evening. It's just been like 6 in the evening. It's not completely dark yet, but it's not light enough because it's raining so much to actually film this in daylight. But that's okay. And it's another camera angle again, because, you know, I'm just a bit lazy. I just want to open this quickly, make this a quick little video so you guys have something to watch again. And, you know, oh, it's taped here as well. And I have something new again, because I can't really buy that much diamond paintings anymore. Well, I can. I mean, Oraloa, I didn't have to pay extras. But I want to try that one first. And also, I have way too big a stash and not going way too quick and not going too quick to doing them at the moment. I really need to finish something before I can buy more, which is currently what I'm doing. I'm on a no buy and I'm actually keeping myself to it. There's some pretty awesome DACs out. I just didn't buy them. Also because I'm scared for the import cost, the extras. And the extra shipping, because they don't have free shipping anymore international. And there we go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Nice little card. She always puts attention in it. Hi Micah, thank you so much for your order. Karen. If you don't know by now, it's Karen from Diamond Painting Pulse on Etsy, on Instagram. I've ordered from her several times. I made multiple videos. Where I show her things, so, but she has a new design tray and I was just waiting on it to see, to buy one. I just didn't do it yet, and now let's get into it. So this is the big tray. This is like the real big new tray that she has, and I'm really excited. It's a new shape. It's like in a diamond shape, which is pretty awesome. I mean, I love her normal trays, don't get me wrong, and I might not even like this one as much as a normal trays, but still, I want to try now. She always wraps this very nicely. It's almost a pity that you have to open it because it's taped. There we go. Oh my god. Ta -ta -ta -ta. There we go. Look at this. Look at the color. I was like, I want something in a color that I don't have yet. Because I have lots of colors from her already. I have a red one. That's the Wizard of Oz one. I have the greenish yellowish one. I have a pink one. And I have like a orangey like kind of one. So I have a lot already. But this is like a different color. So there were a few of these left in her store when I went to look. I was like, yes, this is one of the colors I don't have yet. Which is very neutral as well. So these are resin drill trays. And this looks cool. And I think this one, you can just shake them to here and get them out as well. I think that will work. But that's something I'm gonna find out. I might use it tonight during my diamond painting to see how that works. It's a bit heavier than the other ones, but I think this could be interesting. But the colors is definitely very beautiful. So yes, good job, Karen. Let me get that out of the way. So I also have this little one. This is also, I bought this also. Let me get into it. Where do we open it? There. So I saw this little one, which was more like a, I think, I don't know, maybe she tried it out. I'm not sure. I just felt like I could use the little one for like when I just have a few drills, but I can't, you know, get them out of the containers easily. Especially with the containers that I'm working out of this one. You can't step some out of them easy because, you know, they're so tight together. So then I think you could just pour a few in here. And because you don't need much space, this would work perfectly. That's what I'm thinking I would use it for, but I'm not sure. Or if you have a lot of confetti, this could also work. But this one actually has a spout, which is very interesting. Would be cool to see on the bigger ones as well. And it also has a little bit of a, I hope you can see. I'm just trying to show you off. A slope, like it goes from the bottom, there we go, up to the top. So it has a little like slide down there. I hope I can, you know, you can see what I mean. But this is also a very pretty color. This was only available in one color. She had only one left, so I was like, yes, I'm getting that. Love it. So 2 trays, and they do fit in each other. So that's very nice. Probably should make a tray video soon as well now. And a cover minder video. I don't think I can make a pen video yet. I don't have many pens, actually. Then I bought this cover minder because I was like, I don't have enough cover minders. I do. I actually do. But I just like supporting her business. So I was like, let's get another cover minder of her because, you know, that's cool. And I like the shape of this one. It's like a little umbrella. And especially for this weather at the moment outside my house, this is perfect. And I chose a very different color as well. It's like a deep blue, deep purple, kind of blackish. But I don't think you can see it correct. I'm trying to show you without, you know. There we go. That's what it looks like. It's very cute. That would work very well if you have a Mary Poppins diamond painting or something. But it will work well in generally. It's a very cute umbrella. It's big. I like the big ones as well. curious to see how these magnets are. I feel like they're stronger than what I had before from her, because I kind of lost a backing magnet of one of her how do you call it, cover minders. Her one of the first she did. I don't know, I lost the backing of it because it was not the strongest magnet ever, so I don't have that anymore, but that's fine. Oh look, I did it on the wrong side. It should be here. Well, I think the white really shows it off. So that's one I bought. Now in here is one that I didn't buy. So this is like the freebie. She always includes stuff like that, and I really love her for it. It really makes it so much more personal. Oh, I should have just... That was not necessary. I'm just trying to find the opening. There we go. And they always arrive in good... oh my god, that's so cute. They always arrive in good condition. I never had anything broken or something. Look at this. This is another cover minder. It's a little paw because you can see the little diamonds in here. She put them on separately, and then there's like a little bat in the middle, and it's lifted a bit, so it's glued on afterwards, or like resined on. But that's cool because it's like a real paw print from an animal, or I think it's meant to be a dog, so that's cool. And you can use this as a little trash tray, I think, which is very nice. Another, as you can see, oh, package slipped under me. Another cover minder, as you can see. She has it here, which I think I like, but I do have to figure that out because last time she had it on a weird spot, the magnet for the trash tray, and it really didn't work out that well. I think this is better that she put it at least in the middle of the thing and on top. Maybe I would prefer it just to be in the middle, so you can, you know, put it on like the way you want it. If you want to put it on like this on your canvas, I know it's meant to be like this, but sometimes this could be better, so you know, all the drills can fill in these. But whatever, it's still very pretty and it's a freebie, so I'm not complaining at all. I'm just giving some of my thoughts, what I think could happen, but maybe it doesn't. Maybe it doesn't, but it's very fancy and I love the purple. That's so pretty. I love it. It's very cool. She always has new things and I'm like, oh my god, she didn't have this before, and it's so pretty. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video actually. That was all. I ordered 2 trays, a cover minder, and I got 1 cover minder for free with it. So let me back you up. There we go. That's it. And of course a little card as well, which is very cool. So yeah, thank you Karen again for this amazing order. I'll keep ordering from you. I don't know. I'll have enough trays eventually, but this time you had a new design. I wanted to try it out, and I saw some stuff I like, so I bought it, and can't wait to try it out. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. I can't guarantee when that will be. Like I said, I'm planning on making a stash video of my diamond paintings. I'm not sure it's gonna work out for this weekend to film that. I want to, but I'm not sure yet. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. You'll see when I will upload again. It will be on a Sunday or Wednesday. That's all I can say. But which Sunday or which Wednesday? Don't know yet. But I hope you enjoyed this little video. Please let me know what you think. And also if you have ordered from Diamond Painting Pulse before. I will see you on my next video. Bye!